These AI home renovation time-lapse videos are exploding right now and pulling insane numbers. Now watch this. This TikTok page is less than a month old, yet it already has over 40,000 followers and is getting a crazy amount of views. Take a look at their videos. One video has around 20-something million views, another has 4 million views, and another has 2 million views. These numbers are absolutely wild. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to recreate these home renovation videos with completely free AI tools. First, we need a photo of a house. You can go to Pinterest or Google. In my case, I'm using Pinterest, so I'll search for luxury mansions. You'll see a lot of options, different styles, different building designs, and all of that. For now, I'm going to work with this one. Next, download the image and bring it over to ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to give you a set of prompts that I'll be using throughout this entire video. You're going to copy them step by step, and this prompt will cover the entire video you're about to generate. Now that your video is fully uploaded, go ahead and copy the prompt. After that, head back over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in, and click Generate. ChatGPT will take a few seconds to process everything, and then it will create a clean, high-quality image for us. Now that we have our image, go ahead and download it. Next, re-upload that image into ChatGPT. After that, go back to the prompt, copy it, return to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit Generate. Now, ChatGPT will process the second image. This takes a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see two options. For me, I'm choosing the one on the right. Go ahead and download it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now that both of our images are ready, head over to Grok. Once you're on Grok, select the Imagine option. Choose the aspect ratio you want, and upload the first image. Make sure it's set to the image-to-video generator. Then go back to the prompt, copy the third one, return to Grok, paste it in, and click Generate. After a few seconds, Grok will create an astonishing time-lapse video based on our prompt. Repeat this exact same process for the second image, and you'll get a seamless result. After using the fourth prompt in Google Docs, we now have our final footage. Download both videos, and then we'll move on to CapCut. Now we're at the final part of the video. Once you're inside CapCut, import both of your footage files. After importing them, drag both clips into the timeline and make sure they're perfectly aligned. Next, look for a transition to smoothly blend the two videos together. For me, I'm using a transition called Mix because it works perfectly in this case, but feel free to use any transition you like. After that, add your background music. I'm going to use this one to make everything sound better. Once that's done, review your footage by playing it from the beginning, and that's it. Before we jump into the final result, take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you enjoy videos like this. And here's our final result.